All right, so let's determine if three given lengths of a triangle can actually form a triangle. Here's our 2 steps. You want to look at the 3 sides, figure out the 2 smallest sides, add those together. And then you want to ask yourself, is the sum greater than the longest side? So when you add those 2 smallest sides, do you get a number bigger than the longest side? If your answer is yes, then those 3 sides will make a triangle. If your answer is no, then those 3 sides do not make a triangle. Pay attention to this little note right here. If the sum is equal to the longest side, you still have to answer no. When you add the 2 smaller sides together, they must be greater than the longest side. Here's a yes example. 4, 5, and 6. 4 and 5 are the 2 smaller sides. When I add those together, it equals 9. Is 9 greater than 6? Yes. So those sides, 4, 5, and 6, would make a triangle. Here's a no example. 5 and 7 are the 2 smaller sides. When I add 5 and 7, it equals 12. Is 12 is less than 13. It is not greater than 13. So the sides 5, 7, and 13 would not make a triangle. So let's look real quick. 10, 6, and 3. 6 and 3 are the 2 smaller numbers. 6 plus 3 is 9. Is 9 greater than 10? 9 is not greater than 10. So this one would be a no. Let's go to the next one. 3, 5, and 8. 3 and 5 are the smallest 2 sides. 3 plus 5 equals 8. 8 is equal, or actually let's say it this way. 8 is not greater than 8. It's equal to 8. So this one would be a no. Let's go to the next one. 7, 12, and 10. 7 and 10 are the 2 smaller sides. 7 plus 10 equals 17. 17 is greater than 12. So this one would be a yes. Last example. 12, 20, and 32. 12 and 20. 12 plus 20 equals 32. 32 is not greater than 32. So this would be a no. That's all you have to do. Now, let's say, what if you were given 2 sides and asked to determine what could the third side possibly be? This is just as easy. Add the 2 sides. Subtract the 2 sides. This will give you a smaller number and a larger number. The third side will be in between those 2 numbers. And remember, we want to write in between those 2 numbers. So here's our example. If I have a 2 and a 15, what could be the possible length of the third side? There's a typo on my slide right here. This is a typo. Is between. okay? So the third, 2 plus 15 is 17. 15 minus 2 is 13. So mathematically, it would be 13 because it's the smallest number, and 17. You always want to list your smallest number first. Practicing here. 8 and 10. So 8 plus 10 is 18. 10 minus 8 is 2. You always want to subtract so that your answer will be positive. So let's write that down. Subtract so that your answer is positive. So my third side would be between 2 and 18. So any number that I pick between 2 and 18 will make a triangle for that problem. All right, 3 and 12. 3 plus 12 is 15. 12 minus 3 is 9. So my answer will be between my missing side (9) and 15. 4 and 11. 4. Oh, let's change the color. Red. 4 plus 11. 11 minus 4. So my answer is between 7 and 15. So that means 7.5 would work, 8, 9, 11, 12.347, 14, 14.999. Anything between 7 and 15 will work. So these would all be a yes. But if I were to pick 6.9, 5, 17, these are a no. They would not work.